Hi friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies and you are watching Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. So the Security Printing and Mining Minting Corporation of India Limited is recruiting candidates to fill their various assistant manager vacancies. So we can check the details. The salary up to 40,000 1 lakh 40,000 rupees. So for freshers, this is a wonderful opportunity for them because as a fresher, the salary starting from 40,000 is a big deal. So the further details for assistant manager, total 7 posts are there. The qualification needed for the post is first class degree in engineering in disciplines of business disciplines and 2 years of postgraduate degree. For assistant manager, research and development, 4 posts are there. The qualification needed for the post is first class BTech or BE in the area of mechanical, electrical and electronics, chemical metallurgy, or first class full time MSc in chemistry. Then the assistant manager, 3 posts are there. The qualification needed for the post is first graduate full time master's degree and desirable is LLB and industrial knowledge. Then assistant manager, 2 posts are there. The qualification needed for the post is first class degree in law from a government recognized university or institute and the desirable qualification is law degree from a national law school. So there is an age limit as on 18th November 2020. The candidate who will apply for the job want to below 30 years old. So the age relaxation, as usual, government age relaxation will be given to candidates. 5 years of age relaxation for SC/ST category, 3 years of age relaxation for OBC category, and then 10 years age relaxation for PWD category. So the next one is about selection procedure. The selection procedure purely based on online test and interview. For online test, 75 percentage of weightage is taken from online test and 25 percentage from interview. So there are application fees are 600 rupees for all candidates belonging to general EWS and OBC category. Intimation charges of Rs 200 for SC/ST PWD category. So the last day for application is 18th November 2020 till 5:30 p.m. So the candidates who wish for central government jobs can apply for the job because for freshers there is no experience needed for freshers. There are salaries starting from 40,000 rupees. This is a big deal for freshers. So the candidate who are wished to for applying for this job can apply for the job before 18th November 2020. If you have any doubts regarding this job, you can comment on my comment box or you can message me on in my Instagram ID IgonTechBuddies. If your relatives or friends are eligible for this job, please share with them also. Thank you.